If you've been told the sky is blue because it reflects the ocean, you've been lied to. That's not how it works. The real reason is way weirder, involves tiny particles, a grumpy sun, and physics that will actually blow your mind. Let's find out the real reason. First, sunlight looks white, but it's actually a secret rainbow. Every color of the rainbow is hiding inside that blinding ball of fire. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, they're all there, traveling together like a packed subway car. Each color travels as a wave. Red light has long, lazy waves, like a sloth on a hammock. Blue and violet have short, tightly packed waves, like a hyperactive squirrel. And that difference changes everything. Surrounding Earth is a thin blanket of gas, the atmosphere. It's packed with tiny nitrogen and oxygen molecules. They're smaller than the wavelengths of light. And they're about to become the villains of this story. When sunlight hits these tiny molecules, it doesn't just pass through, it bounces everywhere, like a pinball machine. Scientists call this scattering. But not all colors scatter equally, and that's where it gets fun. Here's the key. Short, hyperactive waves, like blue and violet, scatter way more than long, lazy waves, like red and orange. Blue light bounces around like a toddler on sugar. Red light just drifts through like a bored teenager. But wait, violet scatters even more than blue. So why isn't the sky purple? 3 reasons. 1, the sun emits less violet light. 2, our eyes are terrible at seeing violet. And 3, violet scatters so easily it gets bounced away high in the atmosphere before it reaches us. So blue wins by default. So blue light bounces around the entire sky and reaches your eyes from every direction. That's why the sky is blue, not just the spot near the sun, it's everywhere. Blue is basically the sky's favorite color. Now here's the plot twist: sunsets. When the sun is low, its light travels through way more atmosphere. All the blue gets scattered away before it reaches you. Only the lazy red and orange waves survive the journey. That's why sunsets look like a warm hug. Same sun, same light, but a completely different path through the atmosphere changes everything. The sky goes from blue to orange to pink to purple. It's like a mood ring. And honestly, nature showing off. But what about clouds? They're made of much bigger water droplets. They scatter all colors equally so they look white, not blue. That's why clouds are basically the sky's way of saying, I'm not playing favorites. Other planets have completely different skies. Mars has a thin, dusty atmosphere, so its sky is butterscotch pink. And the moon has no atmosphere at all, so its sky is pitch black, even during the day. Imagine looking up and seeing stars at noon. That's exactly what astronauts see from space. No atmosphere means no scattering, just pure, empty blackness with stars that don't twinkle. It's beautiful, and also a little terrifying. Ever notice the sky looks deeper blue from a plane window? You're above most of the atmosphere. Less scattering means a darker, richer blue. It's like the sky's secret VIP section. Same thing happens in water. Deep, clear water looks blue because water molecules scatter blue light too. So the sky and the ocean are basically siblings with the same physics homework. For centuries, people thought the sky was blue because it reflected the ocean, or that it was painted by gods, or that it was actually a giant dome. They were wrong. But honestly, at least they were curious. Even weirder, bees can see ultraviolet light. Their version of the sky looks completely different from ours. So next time you think the sky is blue, remember, to a bee, it's a neon rave. Air quality also changes what we see. On clear days, the sky is brilliantly blue. On smoggy days, it looks washed out or gray. Pollution scatters light differently. So yes, the sky is literally telling us how polluted our air is. Rainbows are different. They happen when light bends and reflects inside raindrops. That's refraction, not scattering. So the sky and rainbows are cousins, not twins. They're both beautiful, but they work differently. So from sunlight splitting into colors, to scattering through the atmosphere, to sunsets and other planets, it's all connected by one elegant principle. Tiny particles scatter short wavelengths more. But here's the real question. If the sky is blue because of scattering, why are sunsets red? That's a different story, and honestly, way weirder. I'll explain it in the next video. Next time you look up, you're not just seeing blue, you're seeing billions of tiny collisions happening every second. Comment blue if you learned something new today, and subscribe if you want more mind-blowing science. See you in the next one, where we reveal why sunsets are red. Spoiler, it's even weirder.